When we arrived in McVeigh, we looked at the charts to find a good spot for kiteboarding. With plenty shallows, sandbanks and lots of wind, McVeigh must be a good spot for kiteboarding. On our way to Puerto San Carlos, we passed a gorgeous sandbank and had to come back. We met a couple other cruisers, and shortly after we dropped the hook, our new friends came by. Tyler, who is an adrenaline hunter and just finished his circumnavigation, joined us. 3 boats, 7 people, and a lot of fun.
Ahoy guys, this is McVeigh. I'm here with Tyler I just met. He's from Wizard Eyes. And what are we doing now?
Yeah, Bahia Magdalena. We're going to pump up a 15-meter kite. It's blowing about 60 knots of wind, and we're going to go try to shred a little session here next to the sailboat. So
yeah, nice calm water. We did it the last days already, and I'm pretty sure we have some fun today.
yeah, we'll definitely have some fun today. It's going to be exciting. Sweet. Cheers.
Pump it up, man.
This time could be a no. No, 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 this time. This time could be a no. No, 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 this time.
And I could even improve my skills a lot after Turtle Bay. After a few tries, I was even able to do a slightly longer run. I'm trying to get onto the board, and I'm standing a couple meters, but then I'm falling down on my butt.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
And the fins, once I was driving the fins into the sand.
Ooh, don't break him.
No, I won't break them. But maybe they will break me.
One man tied it. 3 men try to untie it.
We have the Wizard's Eye unlocked shoveling the 3 smartest people in the world.
If you don't know how to tie a knot, tie a lot.
The hatchet knot. You need a hatchet to tie it.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but like
Oh, there she goes!
kind of busy in a hurry. Are you going to break any world record here?
Hopefully, I'm not going to break any world records. Just go kiting, and the record I hope not to break is the furthest one. I think it's blowing down wind on an overpowered 15 meter.
When I saw your video going through that waterfall, I thought you should do that with a kite.
Yeah, man, that'd be
If there's a spot, it's windy enough, you just jump down there.
You probably come down a lot softer than free falling.
I'm pretty sure if you do it right, for
Yeah,
sure.
especially with this 15 meter.
Okay, have fun, man.
Thank you, man. Cheers, good.
What we do here is go back.
Bonfire time.
We found some driftwood, lit up a fire, and passed bottles and stories around. Fresh fish tastes even better from a fire with good friends.
That's awesome. Perfect. That works out great. So the left anchor light is 0, the right one is visitor's eye, and the French one, he's hiding. Yeah, put it on the plate. It's I think it's done. Yeah.
We enjoyed this spot a couple days and then set sails to Cabo San Luca, the southern cap of Baja California. The Sea of Cortez is calling.
Cabo!
So the last couple meters to Cabo.
And I'm still freezing.
Yeah, the wind is chilly, yeah?
Yeah, I wanted to have warm water and the hot sun above me. And fresh fish right now.
Fresh fish. Wind is picking up a little bit. Spinnaker helped us a lot going south here. It's really nice sailing with it. I don't know if it's more than 15 knots of wind. Gets a little wild, but we're doing almost 7 knots. We did actually 9 knots down here in almost 17 knots below. We have 15.4 knots of wind right now. Pretty much dead downwind. And we're flying. But we are moving quite a bit left and right as well. And down below it's kind of mess. Books are coming down here. I put them in twice. I have to build something. I secured all this with the temporary board.
Yeah, down below it shows where we have to organize some stuff a little better. Looks pretty wild. I cleaned up a little bit already, but you know, one big wave and everything's back on the floor. But that's it. I mean, if it wants to be there, feel free. Stay there, I don't care. But it's good to be back in Cabo. I've been to Cabo in 2015 after the refit in Guaymas, and that was the last port we had heating for Hawaii. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to see it again. We see.
With perfect sailing conditions and a beautiful weather, we rounded Land's End and got a little welcome surprise.
Is that Disney? That's a
Could
fucking, that's a fucking
Yeah,
business.
that's Disney. I see Mickey.
I want to anchor right there.
Wop wop.
Having a bite?
Hopefully the first and the last one.
Gonna stay here. First the sails.
It's a big bite. And we thought we wouldn't catch anything. Woohoo! Again, bonito. Adios.
Very nice. Nice, eh?
Oh no!
Yeah, they're leaving! Looks like.
Best day ever. And all of a sudden, it's summer. But this is another story.
It's just me and my boat. It's just me